Are you being annoyed by the native language support DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. While we cover the technical fix for native language support, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the native language support. This is the National Language Support NLS library, responsible for localized character mapping, time formatting, and sorting logic based on the user's region. It is a critical boot time system file. If corrupted, Windows may fail to start, or applications will display unreadable garbled text, mojibake, instead of localized characters. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of native language support DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the native language support file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like native language support DLL in your System32 folder. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to native language support. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including native language support dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.